It cannot float. Its feathers are not made for water. If it touches the ocean, it sinks. In 2 weeks, this bird will fly over that ocean for 3 days straight. Once it leaves, there is nothing below. No land, no food, no place to stop. So it eats now berries, insects, spiders, anything it can find, every day for 3 weeks. The body adjusts. It takes in more than it was built for. Everything stretches to keep up. 11 grams, 2 sheets of paper. That is what it weighed in summer. Now it weighs 21. Half its body is fat. The other half is everything else. Its flight muscles have thickened. Quietly, while it was eating. This is not one bird. Right now, from Alaska to New England, millions are heading for the same coastline. The eating stops. Now it waits. Every evening, the same decision: go or stay. The air shifts. A cold front passes. The wind turns northwest, pushing from behind. This is the night. Sunset. It lifts off, climbs past the clouds, thousands of feet above the Atlantic. Below, water. Ahead, water. Behind, a coastline it can no longer reach. Every hour, it loses a little more of itself. And then the body begins to take apart what it built. The stomach it grew shrinks. The intestines it stretched, pulled back in, turned into fuel. It spent 3 weeks building them. Now it burns them. Then a second wind arrives. The trade winds catch it, push it south. Day 3, land. It comes down. An island in the Caribbean. No fat left. Muscles spent. The stomach it grew, gone. It eats fast. 3 days, sometimes 7. But this is not the end. The winter ground is hundreds of kilometers further south. It flies again. And when spring comes, it goes home. But not the same way. It crossed the ocean to get here. It follows the land to go back. Florida, then north, along the coast. The dangerous way out. The safe way home. It does this every year. Right now, somewhere on the Atlantic coast, one of them is watching the sunset. 21 grams, half of it fuel. Deciding. Its name is the blackpoll warbler. In spring, the males wear a black cap. Nature speaks. We translate.